This is the start of doing a vlog of doing my dad's bedroom out because we are moving him in with us. So yeah, stay tuned. Hi there guys and welcome to my channel. I totally forgot to do an intro for this video, so I do apologise. I've got the washing machine on in the background and I'm not looking the best, but who cares, I'm at home chilling. So yes, in this video I am going to be showing you what is going to be my dad's bedroom. My dad is going to be moving in with us so I can look after him and play on his nerves. So yeah, we're going to show you his room and we're going to start prepping his walls ready for decoration, and that's what this video is about. So let's get to it. And if you have not already, please hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. Yeah, this is going to be my dad's room. So we've got a microwave, a kettle and a toaster. We got them from Asda because we're going to put a little kitchenette in for him. So this is what his room looks like. We're taking those shelves down. They're not really going to go with what I have in mind for my dad. The lampshade is going because I have a colour scheme that I need to keep on top of. And I like a theme. And I am changing the curtain pole as well. I have a white one in what is my beauty room now. I need to do that out, so expect a video on that. But yeah, I'm going to put something nice at the window, some nice curtains. Oh, this is the wallpaper that I've bought for him. I got that off Amazon. It's a lovely shade of yellow. It's not very great light in here, so you're not seeing how lovely it is, but yeah, it's really nice. Oh, that's his skybox that we've got for him. It's all connected ready, so we just need to set the room up. This is the door we've just walked through, and we have a nice wall span here. I'm going to be putting like a wardrobe unit in there. I'm going to put a PAX unit in. It's going to have some drawers and some shelves and an actual wardrobe. We have an ensuite here, which is fab. So we've got a sink, got a towel radiator thingy bobby thing. This is the shower that we have right there. Yeah, toilet. Let's walk in. So we have a window behind the door. So I'm going to put something nice on the window and something nice on the windowsill. That needs a good cleaning, oh my goodness. But yeah, so here is the sink. The sink, we have two cupboards down below. And my dad's lucky enough to have a little bit of counter space and then some shelves underneath it too. We haven't got that in our bathroom, unfortunately, in our ensuite. But yeah, and here is a mirror. I look a right mess, so you'll have to excuse all of this. But yeah, it is small, but it is exactly what we need. And I think he's going to like that as well, how we've got a plug socket in here too. But my dad has never had... I feel weird just talking like this. Let's go back to the mirror. So my dad has never had a brand new room before. When my mum was alive, they've always went for second hand. Bit of mismatching here and there. So I want to give my dad a nice brand new room. We've ordered the PAX wardrobe, so that is coming tomorrow. So that's going to be interesting. I'm going to order him an electric bed, so the back bit of the bed raises and goes down, so I think he's going to really like that. Need to find an armchair, a comfortable armchair for him that's going to fit, so it can't be too big. My husband's just ordered a little kitchenette cabinet thing for him that the microwave and kettle and toaster can go on. What else is there? We went to IKEA today. I bought a Malm, I think it's called, yeah, Malm bedside table with 2 drawers. And I've also bought this cube storage thing. It's got 2 cubes in it, and I'm going to use that as his TV cabinet. But yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait to see my dad's face. Even bringing yellow into the bathroom too. The floor is like grey. Oh my god, look at the state of the grout. Is that what colour it's supposed to be? We're gonna have to scrub that. But yeah, we're gonna bring yellow into here, and I'm going to be in heaven. So I'm going to take you along for the ride. I don't know if my dad would want me to film his reaction. I don't know if he wants to be on camera. But I will show you the process throughout, and I will show you the finished article. So let's get to it. Right, so we're starting by taking the shelves off the walls. We're going to be taking any nails, screws, wall plugs out the walls. We're going to be taking the curtain pull down, the blind down, and then we're going to polyfiller all the walls in this video. So let's get to prepping so we can start decorating in another video.
Honey!
Wow. So is that a lot, do you think, for one room?
It doesn't look a lot when you go to tackle it, but yeah.
Nice big chocolate balls.
Yeah, they'll fill up nice. It's the beauty of stud walls. They always polyfill quite nicely, to be fair.
They've hung that a few times, haven't they, as well?
Yeah.
We have had an IKEA delivery as well. Some furniture for my dad's room. So yeah, that's going to stay here a little while until we're more prepared upstairs for it. But happy to get it. So there we go, we'll end this vlog here. The next vlog regarding my dad's room will be painting and wallpapering. My husband's going to gloss as well all the woodwork, the doors, the skirting boards and so on. So if I'm not around for that, hopefully if I can chat him up, he can just film a little bit. Yeah, and we're going to decorate his ensuite as well. But yeah, like I say, we'll end that here, otherwise it's going to be a long video. But yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.